Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at Walgreens to bring you guys a couple of deals. So the main deal I want to do is the pencil deals, because when you buy each of them, they give you back 2,000 points and they're buy one get one free. So that's going to be like my main deal today, as well as the Crest deal. They're buy three get a $4 register reward, and we also have some Revlon buy one get one 50% off, as well as the ILMMWDL. So let's go in store. I'm going to show you guys a couple of deals, and then I'll show you guys my haul at the end. So the first deal is going to be on the Tresemme Pure. They're on a promotion this week for buy two, get 2,000 points. And they're on sale this week too for $10. You're going to use the 5 off of 2 coupon that we received in our 223 RMN, making the total $5, but you're going to get back 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2. So these work out to $3 for both of them, or $1.50 each. Select Crest and Oral-B products are on a promotion this week for buy three, get a $4 register reward, and they're on sale this week for $2.99. So you can pick up one of the Oral-B toothbrushes, one of the Crest mouthwash, and one of the Crest toothpastes for $2.99 each, making all three of them $8.97. We have a $2 off one coupon in our digital coupons for the Crest, a $2 off one for the Oral-B toothbrushes digital coupon, and a $1 off for the Crest mouthwash digital coupon. So the total works out to $3.97, but you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So this works out to be free after register rewards. Select Papermate mechanical pencils, Papermate pens, Sharpie highlighters, and Expo markers are on a great promotion this week for buy one, get 2,000 points. And they're also buy one, get one free. So we have some mechanical pencils that are priced at $2.99. So you basically pick up one of them for $2.99, one of them for free, and you get back 4,000 points. So you're going to get back 2,000 points for each of them, making it free plus a 101 moneymaker. Now, if you were to pick up a product for $3.49, it'll be free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. Again, they're buy one, get one free, and every one that you buy, you're going to get 2,000 points, including the free item. Revlon and ILMMWDL Cosmetics are on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $5 register reward, and they're also buy one, get one 50% off. So the cheapest deal you can do is on the ILMMWDL wipes. One of them will be priced at $5.99. The second one will be priced at $2.99. So that makes it a total of $8.98. You're going to use that 3 off of 2 coupon from our 216 Smart Source, making the total $5.98, but you're going to get back a $5 register reward. So it works out to 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. Lysol products are on a promotion this week for buy one, get one free. So if you were to pick up one of the Lysol wipes for $3.99, the second one will be free. You're going to use the 50-cent off one coupon from our 22 Smart Source, making the total $3.49 for both of them, or $1.74 each. Scott paper towels as well as Scott toilet paper are on a promotion this week for buy one, get one 50% off. So you're going to pick up one of them for $5. You're going to pick up a second one for $2.50. You're going to use 2 of the 50-cent off one coupons from scottbrand.com, making the total $6.50, or $3.25 each. Hey guys, so I'm back from Walgreens, and I did a total of 6 different transactions, as you guys see here. So I'm going to show you guys the breakdowns as well as the receipts. So for my first transaction, I picked up the Papermate pencils, and these are also mechanical pencils as well. These are priced at $3.49, and these are priced at $2.99. And we all know the deal by now, buy one, get one free. And when you buy one, you get 2,000 points. So you're getting 2,000 points for each of them that you buy. So I started the week with 16,861 points, as well as a $5 register reward. And I'm using that for my first transaction. So the Papermate pencils, buy one, get one free. So I picked up one at $3.49, another one at $3.49, and 3 of them at $2.99. So every one that you buy, you get one free. So I picked up a total of 10 of them in this transaction, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 of them in this transaction. And for every one, you're going to get 2,000 points. So the total works out to $15.96. I use that $5 in register rewards, making the total $10.96. I wrote 10,000 points into this, making the total 96 cents, and I got back 20,000 points. So now I'm going to show you guys the receipt really quickly. Okay, so there goes all the pencils, the mechanical pencils, buy one, get one free. 2 of them were $3.49, 3 of them were $2.99 each. I used that $5 in register rewards. I didn't need a filler item because I wasn't using any other manufacturer's coupons. Worked out to $10.95. I had a tax of $1.12. So my total was $12.07. I wrote 10,000 points into this, paying $2.07 out of pocket. And I got back right there 20,000 points. So I started with 16,861. And I'm ending with 26,911. Now let's move on to the second transaction. So for the second transaction, I actually picked up the Sharpie highlighters, the mechanical pencils for $3.49, and the mechanical pencils for $2.99. So $3.49, $3.49, $3.49, $3.49. So 2 of them of the Sharpies were $3.49. 2 of them were free. 2 of the mechanical pencils was $3.49, the ones that are pictured right here. And 2 of them were free. And then I picked up 2 of them at $2.99, and 2 of those became free right there. So again, buy one, you get 2,000 points. Total worked out to $19.94, and I had a tax of $1.40, making the total $21.34. I used 20,000 points to pay for this, making my total $1.34, and I got back 24,000 points. Now here goes my second receipt. So there goes the pencils, as well as the highlighters, and the other mechanical pencils for $2.99. Subtotal $19.94. I had a tax of $1.40, making the total $21.34. I wrote 20,000 points into this. And I got back a total of 24,000 points. So I started with 26,911, and I'm ending with 30,911 points. Now let's move on to the third transaction. For my third transaction, I picked up the Crest with Scope mouthwash, the Oral-B toothbrushes, and then the Crest toothpaste. So I'm starting with 30,911 points. The oral care is buy 3, get a $4 register reward. So I picked them, each of them, at $2.99. They were all on sale for $2.99, making the total $8.97. I used the $2 off Crest toothpaste digital coupon, the $2 off Oral-B digital coupon, and the $1 off the mouthwash digital coupon. So the total worked out to $3.97, and I had a tax of 63 cents. So the total worked out to $4.60. I wrote 4,000 points into this, making the total 60 cents, and I got back a $4 register reward that I used for my fourth transaction. So here goes the receipt here. Crest with Scope, $2.99. Crest toothpaste, $2.99, and the Oral-B toothbrush, $2.99. There goes all the digital coupons. So there goes the $2 for the Crest, $2 for the Oral-B toothbrush, and $1 for the Crest with Scope. Now, they are digital coupons for this, as well as coupons in our March P&G. So we have some really good ones there. Let's say you wanted to pick up 2 of the toothpaste. You definitely could pick up 2 of them, use 2 paper coupons, and then the $2 off that we have in our app. So subtotal $3.97, tax of 63 cents, making the total $4.60. I wrote 4,000 points into this, making my total 60 cents. And I got back a $4 register reward. And I started with 30,911 points. I only got everyday points of 40. I redeemed 4,000 points. Now I'm ending with 26,951 points. Okay, so for the fourth transaction, I picked up the Tresemme Pure. These are on sale this week too for $10. And every 2 that you buy, you get 2,000 points. I picked up the Almay. They're buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2 this week, you get a $5 register reward. And we all know the pencil deal, buy one, get one free. And these were priced at $2.99. So I did use this in-ad coupon for spend 25, get a $5 register reward. So remember, guys, it has to be $25 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. And also you can use points for this and get back the $5 register reward, because we're not receiving points back. We're receiving a $5 register reward. Now, when that register reward prints, it's going to print as a store coupon. So when you go to redeem this coupon, you actually would not need a filler item for it because it doesn't count as a regular register reward, which is a manufacturer's coupon. This actually counts as a Walgreens coupon. So for instance, if you're trying to do the deal again, spend $25, get another $5 register reward, and you redeem this in your transaction, you'll have to spend $30 because remember, it counts as a Walgreens coupon. So if you only spend $25, try to use this $5 in register reward, only $20 will count and you need $25. So again, you need $30 when you go to redeem this if you want to scan this again in the next transaction. So let's say for example, you have this right here. You scanned it and you got back a $5 register reward, but it counts as a Walgreens store coupon. So let's say I was to do this transaction again and use this right here. Let's say this purchase was only $25. I will have to spend $30 if I want to use this right here, the $5 register reward, and get another $5 register reward back. So hopefully that was clear for you guys. So the fourth transaction reads like this. I started with 26,951 points. I'm rolling the $4 in register rewards that I got back from the Crust deal. And again, I'm using that spend 25, get $5 register reward in add coupon. So the first items I picked up were the pencils right here. These are $2.99 each, and also you get 2 free. When you buy one, you get 2,000 points. ILMMWDL this week, again, buy one, get one 50% off. When you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. So I picked up the wipes. One of them was $5.99. The second one was $2.99. And there goes the Tresemme Pure, 2 for $10. I picked up 4 of them for $5 each. And when you buy 2, you get 2,000 points. So since I bought 4 of them, I get back 4,000 points. So the total worked out to $34.96. So I went way over the $25 mark that I needed in order to use this coupon right here. So I'm sitting on $34.96. Now, all the coupons that I used for this, my total was $34.96. I used 2 5 off of 2 coupons for the Tresemme Pure and our 223 RMN. I had a $3 off 2 coupon for ILMMWDL in our 216 Smart Source. And I redeemed that $4 in register rewards that I got back for the Crest deal. So the total worked out to $17.96, and I had a tax of $2.45. My total worked out to $20.41. I rolled 20,000 points to pay for this, making my total 41 cents. But I got back that $5 register reward from the in-ad coupon. I got back 8,000 points for the Papermate pencils. I got back 4,000 points for the Tresemme because every 2 you get 2,000 points. And I got back a $5 register reward for the ILMMWDL wipes. So I got back $22 in points and register rewards. So there goes that $5 register reward right there. So with the coupon that I got back from the in-ad coupon, I just rolled it into this transaction right here. So for my 5th transaction, I just picked up 8 of these, and they were priced at $2.99 each. So I'm using that $5 in register rewards, which is actually a store coupon, into this transaction. So Papermate, $2.99, $2.99, $2.99. 3 of them became free, so I bought a total of 6 of them. And every one you buy, you get 2,000 points. So I'll expect to get 12,000 points back for this deal. So the total worked out to $8.97. I used a $5 register reward, making the total $3.97, and I had a tax of 28 cents, making the total $4.25. I used 4,000 points to pay for this, making the total 25 cents, but I got back 12,000 points because you get back 2,000 for each of the Papermate pencils that you buy. Now let me show you my receipt for my 4th transaction. I didn't show you guys, and then I'll show you the one from the transaction that I just discussed. So there goes the Papermate. Picked up 4 of them. 2 of them were $2.99. 2 of them were free. There goes the ILMMWDL wipes, $5.99, $2.99. They're buy one, get one half off. And when you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. And there goes the Tresemme 2 for $10. So I picked up 4 of them at $5 each. There goes the coupons that I used. I used 2 of the 5 off of 2 coupons for the Tresemme Pure. I used that 3 off of 2 for the ILMMWDL. And I rolled that $4 in register rewards that I got back from the Crest deal. Subtotal $17.96. I had a tax of $2.45, making my total $20.41. But I used 20,000 points to pay for this, making my total 41 cents. But I got back a total of 12,000 points. So I started with 26,951. I rolled 20,000 points into this, and I got back 12,000 points, and now I'm ending with 19,091. So there goes the 4th transaction, and then I'm going to show you the receipt for the 5th transaction. So there you go right there. Just picked up the Papermate mechanical pencils, 6 of them. 3 of them were $2.99, 3 of them were free. I used that $5 off register reward that we got back from the Tresemme deal, making the total $3.97. I had a tax of 28 cents, making my grand total $4.25. I used 4,000 points to pay for this, making my total 25 cents out of pocket. And I got back 12,000 points. So I started with 19,091. I rolled 4,000 points into this and got back 12,000 points for the pencils. So now I'm ending with 27,091 points. Now for my last transaction, I picked up the Lysol and the Almay wipes. So I started with 27,091 in points. There goes the Lysol, $3.99. They're buy one, get one free. $5.99 for the Almay wipes. $2.99 for the second Almay wipes because they're buy 2, get a $5 register reward. And they're buy one, get one half off. So the total worked out to $12.97. I used that 3 off of 2 coupon for the Almay wipes in our 216 Smart Source. And I used a 50-cent off one for the Lysol from our 22 Smart Source. Remember, guys, you cannot use a coupon on a free item. So it made the total $9.47, and I had a tax of 91 cents. The total worked out to $10.38. I rolled 10,000 points into this, making the total 38 cents, but I got back a $5 register reward for the Almay wipes, and there goes that $5 in register rewards. So my total, 38 cents, got back 5. So I ended the week with 17,111 points plus 2 $5 register rewards. So there goes one of the register rewards, and there goes the second register reward. So I have a total of $10 in register rewards for next week. So my total out of pocket for all transactions, for all 6 transactions, including tax, was $5.05. And now I'm going to show you guys my last receipt. So there goes the Lysol, buy one, get one free. One of them $3.99, one of them free. Buy one, get one half off for the Almay wipes, $5.99, $2.99. I used that 3 off of 2 coupon for the Almay and the 50-cent for the Lysol wipes. Subtotal $9.47, tax 91 cents, making the total $10.38. I rolled 10,000 points into this, making my total 38 cents. And now I'm ending with 17,111 points. So I'm starting next week with 17,111 in points and 2 $5 register rewards. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.